All right, so today we're working on the 99. Have the third door open, passenger side. 99 did not have the driver's side, but door handle no longer functions. So we're going to put a Chinese replacement. Come from Rock Auto. We'll see how long that one lasts. Find the right Torx bit here. I have not done this. I have not looked them up, but that's all that came in the box. It just looks like a unbolt it and bolt it back into place. I think O'Reilly wanted 45-ish. For a Dorman brand, this is a Skyview or something. Seems like with shipping it was $30. Huh. Sure isn't much to it. Apparently, just that arm broke off. If you're real handy, you could glue a new one on. Personally, I'll go buy one. I have less time than money and I'm broke, so. And YouTube isn't paying any bills either, so. Oh, that's all there is to it. That's super simple. Let's see if we can open up enough here to clear. Giddy up. Thanks for watching, everyone.